It's called superhuman strength. I remember the white-knuckled, round-clawing, vein-popping, trying times where digging deeper meant lunging a little farther with my battle-scarred feet and mustering up enough strength with my battle-hardened heart to get anywhere. But in the midst of defeat's looming inevitability, I remember all the people who have came before me, with me, supporting me every step of the way. When it hurts to dig deeper, it's like my trials and pain becomes a spectated event. In the metaphorical stands, familiar faces, new and old, gather round with a council of encouragement. Seeing everyone's cheerful faces offsets the battered and bruised shins, ankles, and arms, while bearing witness to all the glee-filled grins serve as gauze strips and all my slashes, nicks, and gashes, while the wise who sit and await to offer words of wisdom to serve as provisions. In the night of wilderness, I'm more than properly tended to once again be moving farther forward faster, with no more twinge like cringes of pain. Though the road may be rough, but that mountain blocking my path could be a pebble with you by my side. When the tough gets going, I just keep moving on and smiling. For when the threshold and giving up draws near, I dig deep, feeling the dirt under my nails, and push on, knowing I have the strength of my relationships behind me. So then, even when my strength becomes exhausted, you guys kick in. So there's a part 2. Now tell me, honestly, truthfully, did it hurt? Because I see no scars on your back. Did it hurt when the hand that gifted you your gilded wings took them back? And thus you suffered a fall from the gold-lined clouds of heaven to the earth below, with your only objective being to show a small part of the world how angels joke. Angels cry, how they move and how they lose. I swear, by looking in the right light, catching the gleam of sunlight at the right angle, I could see the place your halo once resided. You have to be God-sent. Because the only difference between bending and breaking is the presence of an angel, hearing the voice that once entertained God, seeing a smile that gave heaven its luminescent glow. But society says you're a dime of a dozen. But there's something undoubtedly special behind you. Society says you're... I'm just kidding. But there's something undoubtedly special behind you. Behind your gaze, your warming rays of sunshine. Behind your voice, the source of power which the sun consistently finds strength to rise. Behind your laughter that consoles the skies after a roaring storm. You're truly God-sent, that even time after time of scolding myself for my mistakes that I've made, for the one-way road signs I always hated, I knew you guys were needed. I just didn't know I was surrounded by an army of angels who never left my side.